Hi, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations here at Lovely Skin.
And I'm Megan, our social media coordinator.
And today we're here to unbox and try the new Jane Iredale Skintuition SPF 30 Liquid Foundation.
We were lucky enough to receive it before launch, so we've actually already tried it out a little bit, and I have to say it has already become a staple in my routine.
Let's go ahead and put it on and talk about why we're loving it. Like, look at that. It's practically my skin tone in a bottle.
For a liquid foundation, I'm shocked about how lightweight it feels. It doesn't even really feel like I have makeup on my skin when I wear it.
And it offers sun protection with an SPF 30 broad spectrum physical sunscreen.
It wears really well throughout the day too.
I just love how lightweight this foundation is.
I also love that it has buildable coverage. I use 1 pump, whereas Chrissy uses 1.5, and we can kind of customize our look based on our own personal preferences.
And it doesn't wear cakey at all either.
No, not at all.
Here's a close-up of our finished look. And we came here today with just a little bit of eye makeup and brow makeup on. So what you're seeing is the radiance of the foundation finish itself.
You're going to love Skintuition.
If you're looking for a natural-looking foundation makeup, this is it.
Let us know if you have any questions and like and subscribe for more content like this.
Thank you.
Goodbye.